Checked it a second time, and there's a lot of capped honey here. As you can see on the back side, it capped all that off. This is the first frame, and this other smaller one's the second frame. We'll just put it back and let them continue. There's the second frame they've been building on. The smoker is working really good. Earlier on it had a lot of good smoke. Man, you can just hear them just buzzing away. But it is going wonderful. Come on, guys. I got two of them right here trying to cool the... No need for anyone to get injured or hurt. Building on this one. The wintertime doesn't slow down so much. Put the excluder back up against the... They're going right to work trying to cool off the... I do have some hive fields in here. I don't know what to do about that. But
yeah, they don't they get carried in or something?
Still healthy. Still a healthy enough hive that I don't think it matters. I don't want to be buying a bunch of stuff to... Okay, put the lid back on. Excellent. Going well. Cut.